I've been using the Notion app for a few weeks on my iPad, and I want to just do a basic overview of the app for beginners such as myself. Let's get started. So for the most part, my Notion setup is still in the beginner phase. So if you are an advanced user, then you're probably going to not see things that you use in your experience. But for the everyday beginner who wants something a little bit more powerful than Apple Notes, then I have to say so far, based on my limited usage of this app, that it's a lot more powerful. On our home screen, we can start new pages. This would just open brand new pages for note taking. And you can see there's a bunch of other templates here, as well as on the left-hand side here. So I started using a custom page. So for example, I'm looking up AWS right now, and I got this from ChatGPT. So what I did was copy the response from ChatGPT and just paste it in Notion. Now, apparently with Notion, you can download templates. I haven't figured out how to do that and put it on the iPad yet. Maybe that's an advanced feature. Maybe that is a feature that paid users can do. I also have another custom page called Weekly Priorities. I also got this from ChatGPT. You can see that it's pretty good. I mean, I don't think you can do half of the stuff you can do on Notion with Apple Notes. We can see a summary of the page, and you'll be able to customize at least this table. Journal is also something pretty simple. And if we tap on Hawaii vacation, for example, then we can just fill out all of the information for that. And we can actually go back and forth using the two arrows on the top left. And this is pretty good. I have to say that Notion is a combination of reminders, the journal app, and the calendar app all in one. The best thing about Notion so far is that you can actually share these with other individuals and you'll be able to collaborate. I know Apple Notes does this already, but it just seems like this is just on a whole new level. If you want to create a new page, you just tap on Add New. And I just discovered this feature the other day, and you can select the type of page that you want. So you can do like a brainstorming session, or you can just go into more templates and you can see different ideas here, different templates. And I am very impressed with the level of detail that this app has. And in case any of these built-in templates do not work for you, then you can go into the marketplace. That is a basic overview of the Notion app. Like I mentioned before, this is just a beginner's overview of what to expect when you download this app. Now I'm realizing why people love this app so much, because it's so powerful and it's really good, especially on the iPad, because you can take advantage of that bigger screen. But the app runs well, and if you are interested, I can give you a full review of the app to determine whether or not you want to move from Apple Notes to something a lot more powerful. Let me know in the comments what you think about this app. Have you used it? What do you like? What you don't like? As always, I want to thank all of you for watching the videos. We're getting closer to 1,000, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.